Hello there, a quick video to show you how to make the most out of your rows on your website. So as you're aware, when we first create your setup website for you, you're provided with the pages all laid out ready for you with lots of different types of rows that you can add your content and photos to. But you may decide that you want to add more content or take away some of the rows. So this is just a very quick video to show you how to remove rows and how to duplicate some rows, and we'll do another video separately to show you how to add completely new rows from the Design Center into your actual website. So going to the front end as you would for editing any of your pages, click on the page you wish to edit. Let's choose the home page for ease and click on Front Page Editor, and you'll see that the editor will load up. Now, just to give you an overview of what is deemed a row, so this lovely photo background row is one row, and when you hover over the little spanner here, you can see it says row settings, and that blue outline shows you the actual full width of the row. Going down, this row is a fixed width row. It's not going the full width, so it's a fixed width, and the fixed width in this instance is 1100 px. So you can duplicate this row by clicking on the duplicate icon, and you'll see an exact copy of that row is then found below. Likewise, you can delete any row by clicking on the delete remove icon. So let's just take that off again. And likewise, any of the elements that make up, they're called modules, that make up a row, you could duplicate as well, just by hovering over them, and you'll see that each one has the same icons. So you can duplicate this text block and you can just drag it down. So you could drag it below the gallery carousel here if you wanted to add more content. Likewise, you could duplicate this button here and drag that down to there. So nice and easy, you can add as much content as you like in this exact same way. And of course, you can drag these modules down into other rows. So for example, you can drag this button and it can go down to here instead. So when you've got these columns in a row, if you were to drag the button into the bottom of that column, you'll see that it doesn't look as good. You want it centered, so you drag it into the bit just below those columns so that it's centered nicely. But don't worry, if you do add something and it's not quite as we would have put it, when we do add the quality control check at the end, we will make everything beautiful for you. So correct anything that you've done that's a little bit not quite right. So moving down, you can duplicate any of these rows. But these two, the last rows here, these are actual global areas, and you can't amend those from the front page, from the home page area that you were just working on. You'd have to do those separately, as shown in the starter one. Okay, so just to be aware, if you do have any questions and you're not quite sure anything, just send us an email and we'll clarify things for you. But just so you know, you can add and edit the rows themselves. You can delete rows, you can duplicate modules from within the rows to give you more content instead of adding a whole new row if you didn't want to. So very, very simple. The more you use this and the more you add to it, the more you'll learn how to add content yourself. But these are just the ways to get you using it and filling it in as you'd like. So let us know, as I said, if you have any questions, and the next video will be showing you how to add different kinds of content rows to your site. All the best. Bye-bye.